All right, guys, it is install day. I got my ladder up. I already know where I'm gonna be placing everything, but here's the kicker. I don't think I'm gonna be drilling any holes in my wall. I am going to actually use an old rig that I had made for my Bobcat outside, where I actually integrated and kind of built a system with a temperature gauge that will automatically turn on these fans and kind of take all the air out and put in new air. And I also, which I forgot about, I have mounted adapters for the actual antennas. So I can technically mount this high fix inside of here. I'm gonna rewire these as well as attach an old HNT IoT antenna to the LoRa side, because I also have a box full of old Bobcat installations and antennas and adapters. That is all gonna work for me. So I'm excited. I'm also gonna install the Planet Watch Archino, the Geodnet, and the something else. I can't remember what else, but you'll see soon.